You can lose $50,000 buying property in Mexico, and most Americans don't see it coming. It doesn't happen during the deal. It happens after. By the time they realize it, it's already too late. In this video, I'll show you the exact places where Americans lose 10, 20, even $50,000. And the one mistake that costs the most. First mistake, closing costs. Most Americans expect a few thousand, but in Mexico, it's often 5 to 10%. On a $300,000 property, that's $15,000 to $30,000. And that's just the beginning. Second, exchange rate. You think you're paying one price, but between deposits, transfers, and timing, you can quietly lose thousands, and most people never even notice it. Third, buying in the wrong location. Some places look cheaper, but they're harder to resell, harder to rent, and over time, that decision can cost you far more than you saved. And if you're not sure which areas are actually safe for Americans, I'll link a video right here. Fourth, ongoing costs. HOA fees, maintenance, trust fees. They don't feel big at first, but over time, they drain thousands from your investment. And this next one is where people lose the most. Legal mistakes, wrong structure, missing checks, bad advice. This is where people lose the most money. Most Americans don't lose money because they made a bad decision. They lose money because they didn't know what to expect. If you're an American thinking about buying property in Mexico, watch this video next. I'll show you exactly how to avoid these mistakes, step by step.